Welcome to my channel Tech Tic-Tac-Toe. Today we will learn about Quicksort. Quicksort is a sorting algorithm. It is more faster. It uses divide and conquer rule. Every time it divides the array and then conquer on that portion. So let's start. This is an example of Quicksort, the first pass. So this is the array. First we have to take a pivot point. So we take it as 12, the first element in the array. Then we have to go from here and also from here. We go from here and check which one is greater than 12. Then we will stop. So here 3 is less than 12, so we continue. Less than 12, continue. Greater than 12, so we stop here. Now we will start from here and check if this one is greater than 12. So at the first time we will stop at 4 is less than 12. Now when we stop here and stop here, we will interchange the value. So we will swap these two values. Now after swapping, we will check from this one. This is less than 12, this is greater than 12, so we will stop here. From this end we will check this is greater than 12, so it's okay. Greater than 12, it's okay. Less than 12, so we stop here. Then we have to interchange. So here we swap 2 and 58. Now again in the next step we will go from here. So this is less than 12, so we go forward. Then this is greater than 12, so we stop here. Now from this end we will start from here. We swapped here, so we have the position from where we have to start. So we will start here. This is greater than, this is greater than, this is greater than, this is less than, so we have to stop. Now let's see that I is here, that we are checking this one from here and this one from here. So in that case, when this searching is less than this searching, then we have to stop and put the value of pivot in place of last this position. So sequence of these positions, last end is stored here. So we will put pivot point here, so we will interchange these two. So this is our first pass. When we find that 12 is in its position, all the lesser things are here and all the bigger things are here. So this way we divide this array into two, this one and this one. Then we will do the same thing on this 4 element and this 5 element. And after that this is also will be divided into two parts. This will also be divided into two parts. In this way we will go for when there will be one element left. Then this array is sorted. Now let's check with the code. First we have to split. So here we are giving a function split which will return something. So split will take array, the lower index and the upper index. Now p equal to lower plus 1. So lower is this one, so lower plus 1 is this. So pivot is our lower element. P is equal to this one and Q is equal to this one. So Q is starting from this and going in this direction, and P is going in this direction. Now while Q is greater than equal to P, so Q is coming from here and P is going from here, so it will do the while loop until Q is greater than P. So while array of P, that means this much, this element is less than pivot point, then we only forward this P point to another next element. So this way we, in this while loop, we start from here and then we incrementing the p value, we reach here, and here pivot is not greater than the value of p, array of p. So here we stop. Now we start from this end. Q is greater than pivot, so no, so we stop here. Now if Q is greater than P, now Q is here and P is here, so Q is greater than P, so we swap these two elements. And then after that we will go into this loop again, and we will start from P equal to here and goes here, and Q from here to, it will decrease the value, so this, and here as pivot is greater than array of Q, so here it will stop here and P will stop here. So then we also have to swap, and then after that P is continuing to go to 26 and Q is in this place up to 2. So here P is less than, Q is less than P, so we have to stop this while loop, and after that we have to swap this pivot point with the last kth element. This is the last kth element and this is the pivot point, so we have to swap. So this is our one iteration. So now how quicksort works. Quicksort is another function where we will take the array lower and upper index of the array. So if upper is greater than lower, so until when there is one element, then we have to do this, we have to find this kth position where the array, where the last iteration stops. Then split array lower upper, so this function is called every time. Then quicksort with this lower portion with lower and I minus 1, this position, and in the split function we get the pivot point here, the value of the pivot number in this index, so we can get this number, so we will do up to this first array and we will separate the second array from this to end. So these three lines will be in the quicksort. It is a recursive method. This quicksort is again calling this quicksort with these shorter arrays. Now from the main function we have to call the quicksort function with the array and the lower index and the size minus 1, that is, as index starts from 0, so we have to end at size minus 1, so this one, so from this one to this one. So in this way quicksort works. Choice of pivot can be done in many ways, so in that way you have to choose the logic will change a bit. So first element can be chosen, we have chosen the first element, we can choose the last element also, this one also, we can choose the middle element from here, we can choose any random element. So it doesn't matter from where we are choosing the element, we can choose any one element as a pivot. Now complexity. In the base case its complexity is log 2n. In average case its complexity is log 2n, but in worst case its complexity is n square. So I think you all understand. Please implement this method with your code and check the result. If you find any difficulties, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.